In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Salesforce plugin to Outlook. This tutorial will guide you through the simple steps required to integrate the Salesforce plugin seamlessly into your Outlook email. This tool can be incredibly helpful if you want to streamline your workflow and improve productivity, especially if your organization relies on both platforms for communication and customer relationship management. So grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and follow along as we dive into the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Outlook mail. You can get there by simply opening your Outlook application or going to the web version via your internet browser. Once you're in, you'll see your usual inbox view. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will help you as we move through the steps. Now, let's proceed to add the plugin. On the Outlook interface, direct your attention to the menu and look for an icon labeled Apps or something similar. It usually resides on the toolbar, making it easy to find among other features. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a section that allows you to manage various integrated tools and features within Outlook. Once you've opened the Apps section, look for the option that says Get Add-ins. Clicking this will take you to the Add-in store, where you can search for various plugins and tools that you might find beneficial for your Outlook experience. This store is a great resource because it gives you access to many productivity tools that can make your work life much more manageable. Next, to find the Salesforce plugin, head over to the search bar. This can usually be located at the top of the add-ins page. Click on it to activate the search function and type in the word Salesforce. Hitting enter will generate a list of search results that you can browse through. In the results list, you should see the Salesforce plugin. Click on its name to go to its dedicated page in the store. Take a moment to read through the description and features to ensure it's exactly what you're looking for. This page usually provides insightful details about what the plugin does and how it can assist you with your tasks. Finally, let's conclude with adding the plugin. Look for the Add button, which should be prominently displayed on the Salesforce plugin page. Clicking on this button will initiate the installation process, integrating Salesforce into your Outlook workflows. Keep an eye out for any prompts that might need you to confirm your actions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added the Salesforce plugin to Outlook. You can now enjoy enhanced functionality, allowing for improved efficiency in handling your emails and client interactions. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.